Hey guys, welcome back again to another episode of Dad Life. So now I'm going to show you and finally do our farmhouse table unveil. Cup's empty. Hey guys, so as I kind of teased in this first real video, we'll say, we took delivery of our farmhouse table and chairs last night. The condensed version it's been a 4-month process between 2 different builders and companies to get this to us. So part of my fault as a homeowner was I agreed to take delivery last night around 7, 8 o'clock, pitch dark. So of course, a dark wood table against white chairs, pulling up on a trailer, I mean, it looked amazing. It really did. You know, the high gloss, the antique white finish that my wife wanted, it just looked really good. Looked stellar, actually. Then we brought it inside the house. To condense it a little bit, then there's that dilemma of, oh my God, this isn't what we were expecting. But the person that built the table is there with his wife in your kitchen. So basically, you know, at that point I said, okay, it looks great, you know, solid, and have a great night. So I'll just give you an example of the high gloss shellac. So this side, smooth like glass. This side, not fully cured. You can actually see the handprints there. So not fully cured. There's a gap here from the apron. This is a straight 90, and that looks like it's been bumped into or sanded. And then we get to the drips and all the runs. Run, run, run. I mean, it just goes down the side. Not stained underneath there, and all the sides of the table and the sides of the chairs, as you can kind of see, they were actually left just stained, so now they're blotchy because they weren't even high glossed. Here you can actually see the finish of the high gloss. Puddled, definitely not applied and cured properly. Here's another chair. I mean, you can actually see when you zoom in, it stinks, man. It stinks. What do you think? What do you think, Gibbs? Table and chairs look good? You approve? Oh yeah, and one last thing. We were told, you just need to tighten it a little bit. Yeah, one finger shaking like a sieve. So Rome wasn't built in a day, and we all know this. So basically that is gonna wrap up our unveiling farmhouse table video and chairs. I'm gonna put a link in case anybody's curious where we got our chairs from. They're from Home Depot. Really nice, fair price, solid. You can assemble them yourself, super easy. So I'm going to drop a link for the chairs in this video. If anyone has any questions about, you know, what the next steps are, I will just say stay tuned. Over the next couple weeks, I will start getting to work after I have to do some research. So if there's any wood crafters or people with experience with fixing shellac, anything like that, please, you know, send me a message, post some comments, let my wife and I know how we could save this. I know it can be saved. I'm going to save it. We will save this. It'll look amazing when we're done. Even if I have to fix some of the aprons, you know, so it's a better fit, we're going to do what we have to do. And we're going to document the process. But be sure, again, to subscribe to the channel. Hope the content's okay. Let me know what I could do better. I'm new at this. And thanks for watching. Again, Dad Life out.